How to set up a loyalty program in Shopify. You can do this in just 7 simple steps. 1. Install a loyalty app from the Shopify App Store, such as Smile.io or Loyalty Lion. These apps help create rewards programs to retain customers. 2. Open the app and configure reward structures. Choose between point-based rewards, referral programs, or VIP tiers to incentivize customer purchases. 3. Set up earning rules, such as earning points for purchases, social media engagement, or referrals. Define the value of each point to ensure a profitable system. 4. Customize redemption options by allowing customers to exchange points for discounts, free products, or exclusive access to sales. 5. Enable loyalty widgets and banners on your store to make customers aware of the program. Display the program on product pages, checkout, or account dashboards. 6. Promote your loyalty program through email campaigns and pop-ups to encourage sign-ups. Offer a welcome bonus to new customers to increase participation. 7. Monitor the program's performance using the app's analytics tools. Adjust point values, redemption offers, or promotional campaigns based on customer engagement. A well-structured loyalty program increases customer retention and encourages repeat purchases, making it a valuable strategy for long-term growth.